Good morning. My name is Nicholas Smigo. I first would like to apologize for this watermark. I'm trying out this program before I purchase it. So yeah, they put this nice watermark on there that should be gone by now. But I will be forecasting for KDFW from 06Z Wednesday to 06Z Thursday. I have a map pulled up here of the area. You've got Dallas and Fort Worth here, and to the northeast of Fort Worth and to the northwest of Dallas we have KDFW. So the main story for my forecast period is the Arctic air that remains in place, although it does moderate some. So I want to start off with the temperature anomalies here. I think it gives a really good idea of this Arctic air that is in place. So for point of reference, this cluster here of numbers, I know it's kind of hard to see, but this is the Metroplex. And I'm going to move through my forecast period. We're going to go up to 42 hours, which would be the end of my forecast period. And you can see that that Arctic air remains in place. Once again, it does modify some, but still quite below normal for the year. I wanted to show you all the same thing on the European model. It shows a little bit colder, but it shows the same general story. We remain quite a bit below normal for my forecast period. The next thing I wanted to show was our actual temperatures, and sorry about the lag here in the system, but I like showing Texas as a whole. I think it gives a nice clear picture of what's going on upstream and downstream, actually get the full effect of what has came through this area. So we're going to start out with the GFS again. So once again, here is the Metroplex. I know, kind of hard to read, it's a cluster of numbers, but here you go. And moving through my forecast period, you can see it remains below normal. It moderates some, but not all that much. So we continue that through the period. And let's go ahead and look at that through the Euro. We just looked at the GFS, my apologies. Once again, I'm sorry about the lag as well. But if it loads, there we go. We're going to look at the Euro here. It remains below normal. Like I said, it is the general consensus of my forecast period. I wish this wasn't going so slowly for you guys. I really do apologize. But we get the main story here when it comes to our temperatures. The other thing that I wanted to check out, I use weathermodels.com, as you can see, and I really like it. It's got a lot of cool features to it. I know some of them have cloud cover and stuff, but I like the way that they do it on here, and I wanted to share what the cloud cover would be in my area for my forecast period. And you can see early on it's mostly cloudy, but as the day goes on it starts to wane a little bit and kind of clear out, and then clouds start moving back in. It kind of pulsates back and forth. So looks like we'll have partly to mostly cloudy conditions for my forecast period. And also, we remain dry this whole entire time as well. And I will show you that. I'm going to start with the precipitation type, which is also a really cool feature to look at. But let's go back to the 18th hour here of the GFS, and we're going to go ahead and work through it. And there is no precipitation around. All we have is that dry, cold, Arctic modifying air in the area. Let's go play around with the Euro a little bit, kind of show you the exact same things that I showed you on the GFS. Where's cloud? There it is. Okay. Cloud cover remains pretty much the same. It's pretty uniform when it comes to the GFS, so I'm confident in the fact that the skies there will remain partly to mostly cloudy. And then let's go ahead and check out the precip for the area. And it remains void of precipitation. According to the Euro, there is some just to the south of Dallas, but I don't really see anything going on except the Arctic air is modifying, but it's going to remain in place during my forecast period. So thank you for watching and have a great day.